We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for Ghibli creations. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website by typing chat.openai.com in the address bar. Once you're there, log into your account or create one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see the chat interface. Now, what you want to do is input your prompt that revolves around Ghibli creations. For example, you can type something like, create a story inspired by Studio Ghibli's magical worlds with a young hero, mystical creatures, and a journey through enchanted forests. When you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate a creative narrative based on your input. You can refine the output by adding more specific details to your prompt, like character names or particular settings. If you want to iterate on the story, you can say, continue the story, or ask specific questions to guide the narrative in new directions. Another great feature is using ChatGPT's ability to provide visual descriptions. You can ask it to describe a scene in detail, which can be particularly useful if you're planning to create art or animation inspired by the story. Remember, the more specific and imaginative your prompts, the richer and more vivid the AI's responses will be. If you're collaborating with others or working on a larger project, you can copy and paste the generated text into your documents or share it with your team. Experiment with different prompts and see how ChatGPT can help bring your Ghibli-inspired ideas to life. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.